Most people hear the word autonomy in AI and immediately feel uneasy. They imagine systems making decisions on their own without humans in the loop. That fear is understandable, but it's also based on the wrong picture. Autonomy in agentic AI doesn't mean freedom. It means trust within boundaries. Just like at work, you don't tell a good colleague every single step. You explain the goal, the rules, and what done looks like. They handle the routine parts so you don't have to. That's exactly how AI autonomy works. Humans decide what matters. Humans define the limits. Humans can stop or override at any time. The agent simply executes small, clearly defined actions. Checking data, calling tools, retrying when something fails, and stopping when the condition is met. No opinions, no creativity, no hidden intent. Real autonomy isn't about letting go of control. It's about designing systems that behave predictably. Because the real risk isn't autonomous AI. The real risk is unclear rules. And when autonomy is designed properly, AI becomes calm and reliable, which is exactly what you want in the real world. Now that autonomy is clear, tomorrow we connect the dots and start building something real.